Welcome to this complete tutorial on how to create a line in AutoCAD. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First, open AutoCAD and either create a new drawing or open an existing one. Once your drawing is ready, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Now, locate the Draw panel within the Home tab. In the Draw panel, you'll find the Line command. Click on the line icon or type L in the command line and press Enter. Great! Now it's time to specify the starting point of the line. You can do this by clicking anywhere in the drawing area or by typing the coordinates in the command line. For example, let's say we want to start at coordinates 0, 0. You can simply type 0, 0 in the command line. Now, let's specify the endpoint of the line. You can do this by clicking on another location in the drawing area or by typing the coordinates. For instance, let's make our line end at coordinates 10, 10. Type 10, 10 in the command line. Finally, press Enter to complete the line creation. You've successfully created a line in AutoCAD. Now you can create multiple lines following the same steps or explore other drawing tools in AutoCAD to enhance your designs. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in mastering the creation of lines in AutoCAD. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice creating lines in AutoCAD to improve your skills. Stay tuned for more tutorials and have a great day.